Welcome back, grade 3. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Our lesson today is subtract 3-digit numbers. It's very easy to you, grade 3. Let's start it. Please, grade 3, open your book, page number 159. Let's see this problem. Here we have a table. This table for craft paper for 3 friends, Lizita, Will, and Alano. Lizita has 79 sheets. Will has 265 sheets. Alano has 128 sheets. Let's see the question. How many more sheets of craft paper does Will have than Lizita? These are for Will and these are for Lizita. We asked to find how many more sheets of craft paper does Will have than Lizita. So, what do you think, grade 3? Which operation you will use to solve this problem? We have how many more? So, we will use subtraction. Of course, we should use subtraction operation to get the answer. And to check if our answer is reasonable or not at the end of the problem, let's estimate the difference. 265 minus 79, we can round these two numbers to the nearest hundred. 300 minus 100 equals 200. And then we will start subtracting. The first step is to subtract ones. So we have 5 minus 9. Can we subtract 9 from 5, grade 3? Of course, no. So we have to regroup. We have 6. So we will cross out 6. It's gonna be 5. And this 5 is gonna be 15. So 15 minus 9 equal 6. Now, the next step is to subtract tens. We have 5. 5 minus 7, we cannot subtract this. So we have to regroup again. Regroup what? We have to regroup hundreds. 100 as 10 tens. So this 2 is going to be 1 and this 5 is going to be 15. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. And the last step is 1 minus 0 equal 1. So the difference is 186. Now the question is, how can we check if our answer is correct or not? How can we know that, grade 3? Yes, we can use addition to check if our answer is correct or not. We get the difference 186. So now to check if our answer is correct or not, we should add these two numbers. The smallest two numbers, 79 plus 186. And if we get this number, we know that our answer is correct. Let's add these two numbers. 6 plus 9 equal 15 and 8 plus 7 plus 1 equals 16 and 1 plus 1 equal 2. So we get 265. We get the same number. So our answer is correct. Addition shows the subtraction answer is correct. 186 is close to the estimate that we get at the beginning of the problem, 200. It's close. So estimation shows the answer is reasonable. Again, 265 minus 79 equals 186. This is the difference. Will has 186 more sheets of craft paper. That's it. Excellent, grade 3. Please, grade 3, be sure to write this on your book. Page number 159. 59. Let's see the next example. Denzel wants to buy a remote control airplane for 125. He has 354. How much money will he have left? Again, how much money will he have left? So, we have to use subtraction to get the answer or to get the unknown. 354 minus 125 equal the unknown. Again, the first step is to estimate. We can round these numbers to the nearest 10. So we will get 350 minus 130, and this equals 220. Let's subtract now. 4 minus 5, we cannot subtract them. Make centigrade 3 because 4 is less than 5. We have to regroup. So we have to regroup this 10. 1 10 as 10 ones. So we will cross this 5 and it's gonna be 4. This 4 is gonna be 14. And to find 14 minus 5, we can use related fact. So we can ask ourselves, what plus 5 equals 14? What plus 5 equals 14? It's 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. And then 4 minus 2 equals 2. We don't have to regroup because 4 is less than 2. And then 300 minus 100 equal 2. The same for these ones. We can ask ourselves, what plus 2 equal 4? It's 2. And what plus 1 equal 3? It's 2 also. Now to check if our answer is correct or not, we can use addition again. We get the difference. So to check if our answer is correct or not, we should add these two numbers. 125 plus 229, and we should get this number. Let's see. 9 plus 5 equal 14. And 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal 5. 2 plus 1 equal 3. We get the same as this number. So we know our answer is correct. Interesting. Addition shows the answer is correct. That's right. 229 is close to the estimate 220. The difference is 9. So they are close. The answer is reasonable. Again, the difference is 229. Denzel will have 229 left. Excellent, grade 3. Please, grade 3. Be sure to write these numbers on your book. Page number 160. Let's see the next page. Here we have two practices. Subtract, use addition to check your answer. Please, grade 3, try to solve these questions by yourself. Stop the video, and when you finish, you can check your answer here. If we subtract these two numbers, we will get 626, and we can check them by adding these two numbers. We will get 764, which is the same as this number. So our answer is correct. Question number 2. If we subtract these two numbers, we will get 157. And to check them, we will add these two numbers and we will get 614. This is the same as this number, so our answer is correct. Great, grade 3. Let's see the next page. The same for this page, grade 3. Please stop the video, try to solve these questions, and then when you finish, replay the video and you can check your answers here. If we subtract these two numbers, we will get 334. And to check, we can use addition again. So we will add these two numbers and we will get this number. We get the same number. So our answer is correct. The same for question number 4. If we add these two numbers, we will get 83. To check if our answer is correct or not, we should add these two numbers and we should get the same as this number. So our answer is correct. Question number 5. If we subtract 843 minus 187, we will get 656. To check if our answer is correct again, we can add these two numbers and we will get 843. Let's see question number 6. Algebra subtract to find the unknown. This is the unknown. We will subtract these two numbers like this to get the unknown. The first one is 410. The unknown is 410. And if we subtract 267 minus 178, we will get 89. So the unknown is 89. The same for question number 8. The unknown is 109. Let's see this one. Use addition to find each unknown. This is the first unknown in this question, and this is the second unknown. The first unknown is what minus 7 equal to? It's 9, grade 3. Excellent, it's 9. And if we subtract 6 minus 4, we should get 2. Excellent, grade 3. This is the first unknown and this is the second unknown. Let's see question number 10. Here we have two unknowns also. 9 minus what equal 1? What is it? Think about it. And what minus 1 equal 2? What do you think, grade 3? Something minus 1 equal 2. It's 3. Excellent, grade 3. And 9 minus 8 equal 1. Excellent. Let's see question number 11. 7 minus something equal 4. What is it? It's 3. Excellent, grade 3. And 9 minus 9 equals 0. Excellent, grade 3. Let's see the next page. Here we have many problems. Try to solve them by yourself again, grade 3, and then you can check your answers here. You were asked to find how many more students voted for the lighthouse than for the aquarium. This is for the lighthouse and this is for the aquarium. So we should subtract these two numbers. 269 minus 233, and the difference is 36 students. And how can we check grade 3? By adding these two numbers. So 36 plus 233 equal 269 students. Excellent. And the second question is to find how many more students voted for the Science Center than for the lighthouse. Again, for the Science Center and for the lighthouse. Again, we should subtract these two numbers. So, 298 minus 269 equal 29 students. And to check, we should add these two numbers. 269 plus 29 equals 298 students. That's it. Let's see the next questions. Please, grade 3, try to solve these questions by yourself. They are very easy for you. Page number 62. And then you can check your answers here. And this is your homework, grade 3. This is a solved example you can practice for. And here we have two questions. If we subtract 518 minus 319, the difference is 199. And to check, we can add those two numbers and we will get 518, which is the same as this number. So our answer is correct. The same for question number 2. 641 minus 229. The difference is 412. And to check, we can add these two numbers and we will get 641, which is the same as this number. So our answer is correct. Let's see the next page. More questions. Again, subtract and then you can check. Again, grade 3, I think you solve these questions by yourself and then you can check your answers here. The first difference is 411, the second is 277, and for question number 5, it's 315, so the unknown is 315. Question number 6, the unknown is 59, and question number 7, the unknown is 339. Let's see the last 3 questions in this page. Page number 164. Question number 8. Tanisha bought a bag of 225 sheets of paper for her homework. After a week, she had 198 sheets of paper left. How many sheets of paper did she use? What do you think, grade 3? Which operation we have to use to find how many sheets of paper did she use? Subtraction again. Excellent, grade 3. So, 225 minus 198 equal 27. And let's see the next problem. The school library would like to raise 915 for new books. So far, 475 has been raised. How much more does the library need to raise to reach its goal? Again, how much more? So we will use subtraction. 915 minus 475 equals 440. That's it. Let's see the last question. Question number 10. A crate has 272 red and green apples. How many green apples are there? What do you think, grade 3? We have 272 apples in all, and we have 123 red apples. We were asked to find how many green apples are there. What do you think, grade 3? Again, we will use subtraction. 272 minus 123. And the answer is, or the difference is, 149 green apples. Excellent, grade 3. That's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.